What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in. Right now I'm outside of the HogOn Cafe, about to sum up my day. Been putting it in for the day. Right now I got my frame up, as you see. Still got to put the middle rails in. Right now I just got it tacked up and squared off real good. So it's still a lot I got to do to it, but it's a lot that's done. So I got a lot of progress. So that's what we're doing right now. Killing a couple birds with one stone. Thought it was gonna rain today, but it actually gave us a decent day. It was just some clouds. So it might rain later tonight. It's still in the forecast, but this is what we're doing right now. Like I say, as you see, I got my posts where I can actually pick these up and take them out. Right now I got them tacked in a stationary so it can stay square and everything can be just like I want it before I go to the next level. So I got a couple of good ideas on what I'm gonna do with the cafe. But this is what I'm doing today, summing up my day out here getting my hog on, killing several birds with one stone, like I like to say. Making proper preparation prevents piss poor performance.